Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get notification when I will upload any video. Today's video is on current affairs of August 2021. There are 30 questions in this video and answer will be displayed 5 seconds after each question. Let's start the quiz. First question is, who has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of Malaysia? And the answer is Ismail Sabri Yaakob. Next question, who has been appointed as the new MD and CEO of Indian Bank? And the answer is Shantilal Jain. Next question is, who has been appointed as the new Controller General of Accounts CGA in August 2021? And the answer is Deepak Das. Next question, who sworn in as the new President of Iran? And the answer is Ibrahim Raisi. Next question, MA India has appointed whom as brand ambassador? And the answer is Mirabai Chanu, Olympic silver medalist. Neeraj Chopra won gold medal in Tokyo Olympic by throwing the javelin to a distance of dash meter. And the answer is 87.58 meter. Next question, Lionel Messi, currently world famous footballer, joined which club recently? And the answer is Paris Saint-Germain or PSG. Next question, which country holds the record in the mixed 4x100 meter medley relay? And the answer is Britain. Next question, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award recently renamed. So this is renamed as Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. Next question, who will sponsor Indian hockey team for 10 more years? And the answer is Odisha. Which highway became the first e-vehicle friendly highway in India? The answer is the Delhi Chandigarh highway. Delhi Chandigarh highway is the first e-vehicle friendly highway of India. Next question, which state government recently decided that no Gorkha citizen will be prosecuted under the Citizenship Amendment Act 1955? And the answer is Assam. Next question, which organization is supporting the Punjab government to boost MSMEs in the state? And the answer is Small Industries Development Bank of India, that is SIDBI. Which institute has collaborated with the Ministry of Ayush to conduct a study on ashwagandha for promoting recovery from COVID-19? And the answer is London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine. Next question. Which country recently approved three-child policy? And the answer is China. Next question. In which state Har Hiत Store scheme has been launched recently? Har Hiत Store. The answer is Haryana. Which state or union territories police department has launched a first of its kind drone forensic lab and research center? And the answer is Kerala. Next question. Which state government has launched भूकंप अलर्ट ऐप? कौन सी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ने भूकंप अलर्ट ऐप अभी लॉन्च किया है? एंड द आंसर इज उत्तराखंड. With which bank ICICI Bank have cut the first Shoption deals? And the answer is HSBC and Standard Chartered Bank. Next question. Which date of August is celebrated as Akshay Urja Divas? Akshay Urja Divas. And the date or answer is 20th August. Next question. With which organization India has signed a $500 million loans agreement in order to expand metro rail network in Bengaluru? And the answer is Asian Development Bank or ADB. Next question. Who is the current Chief Election Commissioner of India? Current Chief Election Commissioner. And the answer is Sushil Chandra. Next question. According to the Forbes Fortune Global 500 list, which company is ranked first in terms of total revenue in a fiscal year? And the answer is Walmart. Who was or is the first Indian Prime Minister to chair UNSC debate, United Nations Security Council debate? And the answer is Narendra Modi. Which state or union territory has launched the Indira Gandhi Urban Credit Card Scheme 2021? And the answer is Rajasthan. Which ministry has inaugurated an exhibition on Quit India movement? And the answer is Ministry of Culture. Next question. Who is the first female sailor from India to qualify for the Olympics? First female sailor who qualify for the Olympics. Netra Kumanan. Which playback singer will get prestigious Maharashtra Bhushan Award in 2021? And the answer is Asha Bhosle. Who named AIFF Men's Footballer of the Year? AIFF means All India Football Federation. All India Football Federation's Men's Footballer of the Year. And the answer is Sandesh Jhingan. Which country has become the first country in the world to grant patent for an invention by artificial intelligence? And the answer is South Africa. Thanks for watching the video. Please like the video and share with your friends and relatives. Kindly subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get update on our upcoming and latest videos. Thank you.